This is a room review of Deck 11, 248 of The Wonder of the Seas. This is a junior suite, very first sailing. This is a quick overview. Over here, we have the bathroom. They give you a body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And then over here they give you a nice new lotion here. The water pressure is really good. Over here I use magnets to hold up my toiletry bag. Same thing over here. We'll go on to the other side. This is the walk-in closet. It's a good sized walk-in closet, plenty of hangers, plenty of space. It comes with 2 robes, lots of storage. So on the back of the door here is your muster station, right there, and that's at guest services. These are magnets which they use to tell if you need your room cleaned or not. Not catching thrills and slipping off the venture, do not disturb. So that's how the room steward keeps track of your room. Over here we got the main switch. You need a card in here to keep the air conditioner and power running. And then this kills all the power in the whole room right here, this switch. So we got storage and a safe over here. Good size. 2 big drawers here. Got 4 drawers here. Over here we got your cooler, and it's pretty good. Everything's cold already. This is a junior suite, so it also comes with a tea and coffee maker. So over here it has 3 US ports and 2 USBs. I always bring this adapter here. It gives me a few more outlets and USB ports. I also like to bring this fan because the rooms tend to be hot when you get in, so that's always nice. 2 magnets hold up this fan. A good sized TV. I always bring my Fire Stick so I can watch Netflix or regular TV during the down times, because Royal Caribbean TV, there's no channels at all. So you got a little chair and a sofa here and a coffee table. Let's check out the balcony. Two chairs and a little table, that's all you need. It's plenty spacious. We're still in Fort Lauderdale on a beautiful sunny day. Here's what the room looks like from the other side. Thank you for watching.